the properties of the parallelogram. 5 points are there. Look at the first one. You have to memorize this one. Look at this one. First one. Opposite sides are equal. If anyone say this is parallelogram, you should know what is that. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Right. Then the next one is what? Diagonals bisects each other. What? Diagonals bisects each other. Again, opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisects each other. 3 points. Fourth one. Diagonals bisect the area of the parallelogram. Diagonals bisect the area of the parallelogram. Last point, what is that? Opposite sides are parallel, so it's a parallelogram. Okay, now what you said, so opposite sides are parallel, so I'll come to the point. Wait, what is the first one? Opposite sides are equal, it's a parallelogram. Opposites, if it's a parallelogram, these properties are there. They said ABCD is a parallelogram. Look at this one. I'll mark it. ABCD is a parallelogram. 1, 2, 3, 4. ABCD. Okay. If it's a parallel, they said ABC. ABCD. It's what? It's a parallelogram. Then what you can say? Tell me. Opposite sides are equal. That means who are equal? Tell me. AB equal to whom? AB equal to
CD.
DC. Very good. Then next one. Opposite sides are equal. Another two opposite sides are there. What are they? AD equal to BC. So they said ABCD parallelogram. You are giving, yeah, this it's happening because it's a parallelogram. Not only that, this is the first point. Now the second point, I told you, which is equal? Which is equal?
Parallel.
Yes. Wait. Studied in order. Don't mix up everything. First sides, then angles. Tell me, opposite angles are equal. Tell me, this angle and this one, opposite angles. What is the name of this angle? ABC equal to whom?
ADC.
ADC. Very good. Then what is these two angles? Opposite angles are equal. Mean these two also equal. What is these two?
DCB equal
DCB equal to
DAB.
DAB. Very nice. So these opposite angles are equal. Next one I said, the third one, it's something about the different one. Not
Diagonals.
about dialog company. I thought diagonals. What is diagonal? What is diagonal? First, what is diagonal?
The cut through.
Cut through? What is diagonal?
Intersecting in the mid.
When we join by the line, which points the opposite vertices, when we join in a quadrilateral, we call it a diagonal. Look at it. I'll join the A and C. I'll join the, don't make noise. If you are not answering, please mute your mic. So others, if the screen is just moving here and there, so one he said, what is that? Go to my, what is that? So here, when someone is speaking here, when someone using the mic, so yeah, that means the screen, it shows their picture. So what you want to do it, you click my, that means go to the my, what is that, the slot, and just go and click picture. 2 times click it, double click it, then it's going to be stay. Even the others, they are using the mic. Okay, however, but if you are not giving any answer, please mute your mic. Look at this one. Next one, B to D. I'll join it. When I join, we call AC, it's a diagonal. BD, it's a diagonal. So we have two diagonals, each other by each other, that means cut in one place. That means we call intersect. In that place, I'll mark it, it's what? O. If I mark it O, now what they said, in parallelogram, if it's a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. One come and cut other one to 2 equal parts. This one come and cut the other one to 2 equal parts. And now tell me, if the diagonal cut the other diagonal to 2 equal parts, if this diagonal cuts the other one to 2 equal parts, which parts are equal? Tell me. Which one is equal? In this AC diagonal, BD cut it to two equal parts now. So tell me, AC diagonal divided to two parts mean AO and OC is what?
Equal.
AO and OC equal. Not only that, other one. Diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other. One come and cut this one to two equal parts. This person come and cut the other person to two equal parts. So it's become, what is that? What is equal? B? BO equal to OD. Right, okay. So next one. What is that? What is the next one? Diagonal bisect the area of the parallelogram. Look at this one. I'll mark the parallelogram. This is A, it's B, this is C, it's D. So I'm going to draw a diagonal. Okay, I'll draw it. Now, diagonal AC is there. Okay, AC diagonal. Diagonal bisect the area of the parallelogram. Diagonal bisect the area of the parallelogram. Right, okay. Diagonal bisect the area of the parallelogram. So first tell me, if I given this diagonal area is 100, this diagonal total area is 100. So when I draw the diagonal, what will happen? So the parallelogram total area is 100. Parallelogram total area is 100. If I said when I draw the diagonal, what you can say about this side?
50.
50. And what about this side? 50. If I say the total one is 26 centimeters squared, total one is 26. This side
13.
13. 13. So because the diagonal bisect the area of the parallelogram, so if it's equal the area, which triangle area and which triangle area is equal?
ABC and ADC.
Triangle ABC area and equal to what? Area of the triangle ABC.
Triangle
equal
ADC.
to area of what? Triangle AC?
Triangle ADC.
Triangle ACD. Not only that, not like this kind of way the diagonal. If the diagonal is like this way, what will happen? Now tell me. Diagonal bisect the area of the parallelogram. So even the diagonal AC or even the diagonal BD. So what is the answer? Tell me.
ABD. Triangle
Area
ABD.
of the ABD triangle equal to area
Area of DBC.
BCD triangle. Can you understand? Now, how many points I finish it?
5.
How many points I finish it?
4.
4. Right, okay. Tomorrow session, because now the time we have some more. Tomorrow session, when I started, one by one you should come to the mic. Right? So here. So you have to be, what is that, the honest for yourself, right? You don't, what is that, the here. So even I'm not going to be watch you. Even I'm not going to be watch you. You have to think about goodbye, sir. What? Muad said goodbye. Why? No, still it's not finished. Muad, it's not finished. Right? Tomorrow session, when you come to the class, right? So what I'm said to what you have to study it. So the properties of the parallelogram 5 is there. So still I teach 4. Then the condition, the 5 conditions are there. Still I didn't teach. I'll teach that one. So tomorrow session, one by one, I ask you to come to the mic and you should give this 5, then 5, 10. The points you have to give it. Without just watching the book. Then without watch the book, you have to close your book. You can't look at anywhere. Just memorize and keep it in your mind. Right? So if you look at the book, I don't want, because even you can look at the book and read it now. Don't worry, when the class started, in class, I'll ask from you. One by one, I ask you to stand and ask. Right? So study and keep it. Look at this one. So already the grade 10 last year, I did this one. Okay, grade 11 students, they know. What is the first one? Again, first one, properties of the parallelogram. Everyone, you tell to yourself, please mute your mic. You tell to yourself, it's correct or wrong, we'll see. Don't use the mic. Look at it. First one. Opposite sides are equal. ABCD parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisects each other. Diagonals bisect the area of the parallelogram. Right. Last one, it's not need to study it because the word of the lesson, that means the lesson name is what? Parallelogram. So use that word, parallelogram, parallel. I'm using that word and making the last one. What is that? Opposite sides are parallel. That means what? Opposite side mean what? AB is parallel to CD. Not only that, AD is parallel to BC. Very easy, no? All 5, we finish it. What is the first one? Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonals bisect each other, diagonals bisect the area of the parallelogram. Last point is opposite sides are parallel. I hope you understood. Is there any question for anyone? Is there any question for anyone?
No, sir.
No need to say no. If you have questions,